Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of gardening essentials with what I believe are the best hoops for garden beds currently available on the market. If you're looking to protect your precious plants, extend your growing season, and enhance your harvests, you'll want to stick around for this one. Introducing the Garden Hoops by FuBegi. These flexible fiberglass tunnels are designed to shield your plants from voracious critters, harsh weather conditions, and everything in between. Made from rust-free, eco-friendly fiberglass, these hoops are built to last. Let's talk features. The FuBegi garden hoops come in a set of 36, each 8 feet wide, ideal for covering rows or raised beds. They're incredibly easy to assemble, just insert them into the ground and secure them with the provided clips. Plus, they're lightweight yet sturdy, ensuring durability season after season. Setting these up is a breeze. Simply bend the hoops to your desired shape, place them over your plants, and secure them with the clips. They're versatile too. You can combine multiple hoops to create larger tunnels or adjust them as your plants grow. Now, let's talk about what really matters: the benefits. Gardeners love how these hoops protect their crops from pests and extreme weather. Whether it's shielding delicate leaves from scorching sun or guarding against frosty nights, these hoops have your plants covered. So, if you're ready to take your gardening game to the next level, click the link in the description to get your own set of FuBegi garden hoops. Trust me, your plants will thank you. That's a wrap for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews of the products you love. Until next time, happy gardening!